Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a tomato basil pasta. This pasta is so easy to make and so good. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys an easy and delicious tomato basil pasta. I'm gonna be cooking here today. My husband just left on a deployment, so you guys are gonna be seeing me cook here and back at home until he comes back. So let's get started on this pasta. Start by cooking about 200 grams of angel hair pasta in a large pot with salted water, according to package instructions. While the pasta is cooking, reserve half a cup of the pasta water and set aside. Once the noodles are al dente, you can drain them and set them aside. Now you're going to place a large deep pan over medium heat and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to add 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. I just cut them in half and let them cook until soft. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Once the tomatoes are soft, break them slightly with the back of a spoon. Then you're going to add the reserved pasta water and simmer for 5 minutes till it thickens and becomes saucy. And season with some salt. Then add the cooked pasta. And 1 tablespoon of melted butter and toss well. Lastly, add in half a cup of fresh basil, and you're going to toss again till the basil wilts. The fresh basil added at the end adds so much freshness in every bite. I love using angel hair pasta, which is a thinner spaghetti, because the light sauce coats it and it's not heavy. Because the pasta is so thin, it makes this dish really light and delicious. We like to top it off with some Parmesan cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed this pasta. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye! I don't have my husband here to taste test like I said earlier. He left on a deployment. So honey, I just wanted to say, if you're watching, I miss you and love you. And everyone, thanks again for watching. Bye!